probably seen components, Autowired, REST controller everywhere in the Spring Boot code. But do you actually know what they are doing? Most people just copy them and hope it works. Today, you are going to understand them. An annotation is just a label. You're telling Spring, hey, pay attention to this. That's it. Spring reads these labels when the application starts up and decides what to do with the classes. No annotation? Spring doesn't know that your class exists. Add component? Spring picks it up, creates an object for you, and manages it for you. That object, it's called a bean. Let's go through the ones which you'll use constantly. The base annotation. It marks a class as a Spring managed bean. Spring sees this, creates one instance, and keeps it ready for you. Service, repository, controller, these are all just components under the hood. They're just distinct with names. Service is for your business logic, repository is for your database layer, and controller for handling web requests. Autowired. This annotation tells Spring, hey, I need this dependency. You figure it out how to get it. Spring then finds the matching bean and injects it automatically. You don't create objects manually in Spring. Spring does that. We just use them. That's called dependency injection. And Autowired is one way of how you ask for it. REST controller. This one's a combination of controller plus response body. You use it when you're building an API and your method returns data directly and not a web page. Request mapping, get mapping, put mapping, post mapping, and delete mapping. Well, there are similar others. These map URLs to the methods. / users hits your method runs, response goes back. So in a nutshell, when your Spring app starts, it does a component scan. It scans your packages, finds every class, creates an instance of it, and wires the dependencies. All of this happens before even your first request comes in. That is the application context. It's the Spring's container which holds and manages all of your beans. You configure the scan with SpringBootApplication configuration, which is already included by default by Spring for you. That one single annotation triggers everything. Annotations aren't magic. They are just instructions, precise instructions that you give to Spring and let Spring handle all the heavy lifting. Once you see them that way, entire Spring Boot code base starts making sense. See you in the next one.